Hi guys, another healthy eating na naman tayo ngayon. So ito yung baon ko for today. Buksan natin yung baon ko. So ayan, fish steak na naman, and then steamed okra, and then brown rice. So ito yung baon ko for today. So kain tayo guys. So kuha tayo ng tinidor. Maganda itong okra guys kasi rich in vitamin C, folate, magnesium, and then antioxidant din itong okra guys. So steam lang ko itong okra natin guys. And then tuna, itong tuna ay rich in omega 3, mga fatty or oily fatty fish, rich in omega 3 yan guys. So maganda yan sa ating kalusugan. And then brown rice, so less sugar yung brown rice guys. So yan yung kinakain natin almost everyday guys. Ito yung kinakain ko. And then yung seasoning na ginagamit ko nito guys ay salt and pepper lang. And then yung ginagamit ko na panggisa nito ay olive oil. So lahat very healthy po yung ginagamit natin. Ito po, kain tayo guys. Okra.